Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to easily fix squealing brake pads. Now I'm going to walk you through a few different steps that could cause the squealing, whether you have new brake pads or old brake pads. So let's go ahead and get started real quick. Alright, so we're going to have to remove our caliper here, and to do that we're going to remove these two caliper bolts. The size may vary depending on your vehicle. All right, then we're going to lift the caliper up and set it safely on top here. All right, so one of the first causes we're going to talk about for squealing brakes is glazing on your pads. And again, whether they be new or old, if they get too hot, they can glaze over and become shiny. So to check on that, you're going to take your pads out. And if you look at that, that's pretty mirror shiny. All right, so we're going to take out the other one as well. I'm going to try and save these, so we're going to be as careful as we can. So as you can see, they do have almost a mirror gloss to them. So we're going to put some sandpaper to these, just very gently. I'll show you how, and get that all scuffed up so it's not mirror smooth. All right, so I have some 220 grit sandpaper here. You want to do even sweeping motions. And then while we're at it, we're going to clean out this seam right here from this brake dust. So as you can see, there's not much of a mirror finish left. We're going to do a little bit more. So that's what it should look like, less gloss, and we'll do the same thing with the other one. Just make sure you're either wearing a mask or you're downwind when you're doing this so you don't breathe all this stuff in. All right, so while we have this pad off, I just wanted to show you another thing that can cause your squealing in your brakes. So this is the inner pad on the vehicle right here. If you look, there is a wear indicator. So this will not apply if you have brand new brakes, but if you have older brakes like what I do and there's a lot of meat off of them, you just want to check to make sure. If you have less meat than what's indicated by the piece sticking out here, then that is probably causing your squeal. So if that's the case, grab new pads. If not, then we'll move on to the next step. So we're going to grease this up, and you saw they were a bit hard to get out. So we're going to take these clips out and just clean everything up and grease everything. We just want to make sure there's no corrosion in here causing the anti-rattle clips to swell. We're going to clean our anti-rattle clips as well. So pads sticking can cause it to glaze, and as you can see with these ones sticking, because there's a lot of debris and buildup here, that may have caused our glazing. So we get our clip back on and we do the same thing with the top one. All right, when you put these back on, just make sure none of your edges are touching the rotor faces, front or back, because that can obviously cause squealing as well. So the other thing that can cause squeal is lack of lubrication on all the mating surfaces. So I'm going to show you all those mating surfaces. First one we're going to do is the anti-rattle clips here, and you want to use an actual brake lubricant, not anti-seize. You want this to be able to handle the heat. And it goes without saying, if you do get any of that grease on your rotor, just make sure you clean it off with brake cleaner and a rag. All right, so now we put our clean and serviced brake pads back into place. All right, so next we're going to compress our piston here, and then we're going to lubricate our caliper to prevent any future squealing. All right, the next most common cause of your squealing is lack of lubrication on the caliper. So both the mating surfaces of the piston and these two ears, they meet the pads. If there's no lubrication between those, it'll be metal on metal, so it'll vibrate and cause a squealing. So we're just going to slather on a little bit of our brake lubricant onto all those surfaces. All right, and then grab your caliper and put it back down. Make sure you don't twist the hose. And we put our caliper bolts back on, torque them to your specification according to your vehicle. All right, then every brake that I do, I go and I press and firm up the brake pedal before moving on to the next one. All right, all that's left is to get your wheel back on and your lug nuts torqued down to the specific torque values for your manufacturer. And other than that, hopefully this has helped you get the squeal away from your brakes when you're driving. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.